smoke. A little background. I at this field yesterday. Midwest Fly Boys came down for 2 days. Just us four camera guys. Probably 2,000 birds. We got our birds, and they were still coming. So I'm like, let's just get out of here. Kept all the decoys in there. Birds are jumping back in, even more. Some migrate down from the north with how cold it is. It's 12 degrees right now, 15 mile an hour winds. Got more guys today, and so it's awesome.
It's cold.